Kunemuntu losesonweni.
There is someone in sin.
Uyagwababa.
He is prostituting.
Unatha tshwala.
He's a drunkard.
Kepha kana sebathengwe ngengadi.
But the ones that are bought by the blood,
Bayehlukana nalapha ngathengwa.
they are different.
Insinziso akusiko kushiya tono bese uyasinziswa.
Because salvation is not living sins and
Kepha
getting saved.
kusinziswa kuya notono ensizisweni.
But
Khuluma ngemuntu ogijele ngisathana.
I am talking about someone who is
Sathana
led by the
lomentisa
devil.
konke.
The devil makes you to do everything.
Azajabula athi
You will be
ngiyaphumelela.
happy and say, I'm succeeding.
Kanti sitha sathana sithandi wena.
Whereas the devil is not
Kepha
like you.
sithanda imisebenzi yaso
It is
losenza. Uma sikholwa
When we are Christians,
asisakholelwa ukuthi siphunyule.
we are not Christians
Kepha
for going
sesikholelwa ukuthi
away.
kumane kubhalwe.
But we are Christians for the
Kuthi
right
kwake kwenteka ngesikhathi
that it
esinguthi.
happens at so much time.
Lapho khona umhlaba wonke
When the
wawudidekile.
whole earth was confused.
Kepha kwaba khona abantu
But there were those people
labathi noma ngabe kusikhathi ekufake
that
mama.
says when it was time to wear
Kepha
masks,
umlomo wethu okumemeta uNkulunkulu
but
sawukuma.
our own mouth we are going to shout God
Angeke
and say,
sikhonte le COVID-19.
we